Yo, what's up, my people? What's up, designers? What's up, engineers? What's up, structural engineers? What's up, students? What's up, CAD students, CAD nerds, CAD everything? Today, guys, I just want us to do a little detailing on this model that we did last week on a state trade. Actually, I listened to my video there and then I realized, oh man, I was just, you know, saying the wrong thing. It's actually straight thread, not thread. Uh, yeah, slip on my tongue there. But anywho, today we are about to detail this, and I realized that oh yeah, now we chose the material. There's carbon steel. Um, so I'm thinking that let's detail this. But first of all, please, man, if you like this video and you enjoyed learning how to do this kind of thing, I helped you do it. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please share with people. Please share with anybody that you can share it with. Um, yeah, I mean, let's carry on. Okay, let's go on. So I think on a previous video I showed you how to go to the sheet and select the sheet and do that. So I'm not gonna go through that on this video. I'm just gonna carry on detailing. I want it to be a bit well, a little bit more shorter. So I'm just gonna take my model in, double click on it. It says front view there. I'm just gonna say paste it there, and I'm gonna put my top there, and I'm gonna put my right there, and then my ISO there. Just gonna press escape, and I want to change my scale, so I'm gonna right click on this sheet and go properties, and let's try 2. Then I'm gonna say apply changes, click enter, and then this is not linked to our scale, so I'm gonna link it to the sheet scale. I feel like I like that size. It doesn't have to be smaller. And I'm going to put I didn't want to put in, I'm just gonna put in a dummy cut list in here, because I showed you how to do the cut list and how to edit that, and you saw how much of a lot of work the thing is, how much work we had to go through to just make this thing happen on the previous video. So now I think I'm just gonna maybe I'll edit it right in here, but that's not the correct way of doing it, right? So I'm gonna do my center lines there. You know how I like center lines. I'm gonna do a shortcut for a center line. I'm gonna do that center line there. Oh no, let's go center line. You don't have to do it because it's actually not even visible enough, but I just like to do it. But here you might need it. I want this video to be very short, guys. I don't want it to be too long. Okay, so we'll probably just do the overalls and basics on detailing here, just to show you. I'll give you something else, because I said on the previous video that we're gonna use this model on what's from here. We will probably just use this model. Actually, not probably. I'm gonna use this model a lot, because we'll in the coming tutorials, what we're gonna do now is we are going to I'm gonna do the insides there for no reason. But what's more important, we know what is more important. What's more important is actually the outside, because that's what defines our, okay, actually not that, but this outside here is the one that here maybe, I don't know, man. If you want to, you can pull this angle iron about, I don't know, what is that, about 3 millimeters out. You can do that. You can just pull it and make it flush with your boundaries there. This doesn't look like a front plane. Why is it like this? Because it should be, why am I seeing this? I shouldn't be seeing that. Let's see, what kind of a view do we have here? Let's say if I wanna make that real view. See, I shouldn't be seeing that. I don't know why is it's showing me the grating. Or maybe it's because, no, but it ends right there, so it doesn't go inside that. Why is it showing me the grating? I don't know. Let's see. But also that's how you change your views. Okay, now it's back to its senses. It's back to its senses. And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna make it dimension there. Just put that on as well. This is just a general, like a really general dimensioning, but something that you can use to model this from. Man, something is acting up now. Okay. Can you just do what I ask you to do, man? Yeah, it's really acting up. But anywho, and then let's make that dimension there. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what we need, because we need to know how long this plate is, right? Also, you can do that and that. And no, that. Normally, I would say 5 thick or 5 plate, 5 PL. Just say, oh, just say 5 PL or 5 plate or whatever. And you can also just underneath there say typical, so that we don't have to dimension each and every one of them. Okay. So that's the overall. Let's say overall. Let me see overall this side as well. Overall. Then let's now dimension this side. But probably just, I know it's dimensioned on the other side, but on the other view, but I'll just do it here as well. Here I'll just take the whole dimension from there, and then for the holes and that and that. You can also take a dimension from there to there if you want to, but I actually like to make them to make my dimensions a little bit more in line. And then this will be that by that. But you know, I like to take details of this, right? I'll just put the details somewhere there. But on this video, it's just small. It's a small thing, and we don't have to. So here you can just put it as a reference because we already got it. This one as well, you can just put it as a reference there because we already got it. Let's go for our bubbles. So you know how you get your bubbles, right? There is your bubble there, balloon, another bubble. It's a balloon. And then there you go. There you go. Oh, there's a grating here as well. Oh, there's place underneath as well. So probably we will need to also just right click and then project the view downwards so that we show the bottom view. Okay, we might need to make this a little bit smaller. Oh, maybe let's move that up and see. Oh, okay, we still got a space. We still got the space. So yeah, or maybe let's take a section there. Let's delete that because we can already see that. So let's just take a section view here, right there. I want the one that faces up, but I'm gonna click my control and then move it to there while I'm still holding my control, and then boom, I'm gonna place it there. and then I'm gonna right click and say align vertical by center, and then I'm gonna click inside this viewport. You'll see it aligns itself. Now it can move sideways. Okay, damn, that's weird there. That I didn't see that. But I'm gonna cheat it. I'm gonna cheat it. Let's see. Oh, I can't. Don't think I'm gonna be able to cheat it. I'm gonna have to edit the model to fix that. I don't think I have to show this, but what I wanted to show you here was these bubbles, the balloons. I don't know why I keep saying bubble, but I also want, because I saw that my items, there's item number 7 there, but you know, that means we still have more missing items. Yep, that will be it. Let's see. Man. Oh. Just wanna move that. And then you rebuild. Guys, I don't know how many. 127. So that's like 1, 2. Oh, 6. Oh, that's a. What is that? Okay, let me just move this thing a little bit up, somewhere there, and then rebuild. Just move that arrow a little bit, and then you'll pick it up, and then yeah, there's my 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6 is the grating itself. Oh no, 5. That's 5. Which one is 6? Ooh-wee! Now I'm gonna waste time trying to look for a 6. I'm trying to think, what could that be? It's probably no. Something's weird there. It's number 1. This is 5. Would you judge me if I say I don't see that 6 and I give it up? Will you judge me if I do that? Like, I will really be so disappointed at you. Like, really. After showing you all these things and you judge me for one thing. Like, I'll really be disappointed at you. Like, I'll really be so disappointed, sir and ma'am. Sir and ma'am, I'll be very disappointed. Okay, let's. Man, this is skew. can see it. Let's try to edit edit cutting line. No, let's not edit it. I'm just gonna dimension that. It will pick it up. Yeah, that's a 2. I think that's what it has to pick up. Okay. And in here we can just edit from the way I showed you last time on the other video, or we can manually edit it in a table here. So number 1, I double click in there. You can double click in there. Oh man, why does it not want to let me? Oh, it doesn't want to let me. Yeah, let's open it. And go cut list. Oh, yeah, open properties. I think that's what we did last time. Yes. So I'm just gonna add a description, and you say PL01. I'm gonna say that's a PL01. Oh, yeah. And then I'm going to the next one. Add a description. PL02. That's how I'm gonna name them. Just to give them names, and then I'm gonna say description PL03. Control copy description, paste for description, paste 5, and then these ones have their names. Then I'm gonna accept it and save it and then close it, because my machine is very safe, because my machine is very slow. Once saved, then we're gonna close it, and there you have your names. There you have your part numbers, your names, and then you'll have your lengths for your members, and your members have information for them. And these ones you can just name them whatever you want. Okay, just name them whatever you want. Okay guys, I think with this tutorial I will end it right here. I will detail some other stuff when we need them later, but I showed you how to also pull in the multi-body parts inside here by selecting the bodies in there. I showed you that. So if you want to explore it further, you can do that on your own. Yeah man, just experience it on your own, and do your thing. Oh, okay, I see one dimension that maybe we might need is that there for the grating. Right, that there for the grating as well. And maybe you might need that dimension as well. Wow, that's a 3 mil. That's a small ass thing. Very sharp. Can cut your fingers. But for the tutorial is cool. It's not like we're gonna step on it. Nah, just joking. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know you know how to save a PDF. You just, save as this is where I got my other stuff here, but I didn't want that. Okay, then you go Adobe portable document format and Stair trade. Cool. Then we save it, and then it will pop and open. You will see it will probably pop and open, and then that means you're good. You saved. Then you can take your drawing to the workshop or the floor, wherever where you're gonna submit it. Oh, it doesn't open, but it doesn't matter. I will see when it open. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being here. Yeah, man. Keep learning and keep doing this thing. If you love this, keep on doing it. It's a good thing. It's a good skill to learn. It's very, very profitable. And man, I can tell you, like, designing is cool, bruh. Like, it's cool. It's something that you can even do in your comfort. You can just explore ideas and just be comfortable with it. Okay. So good luck. My name is Max.